So what is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fake Tech Reviews, where we'll bring to you the slickest tech ever. And today we'll be reviewing the Oraimo power bank. We'll be unboxing this and making a quick review on it. So stay tuned, guys. Let's dive into the video. Let's quickly unbox it and see what we have inside of it. This is the Oraimo 3 Traveler Power Bank, which was sent from the X Club for review. The Oraimo 3 Traveler Power Bank is being powered by a massive battery life of 27,000 mAh. It's a very solid and a heavy power bank, not too compact. It features a dotted texture at the down lower part of it and a black matte finishing, which made it look very real and mature. The coolest thing I do like in this is the LED indicator display, which displays the battery percentage for just 30 seconds. Going to the right side, you get the power on button, and over to the bottom it shows you more information about the power bank, while the left hand side is scanty. Moving over to the top, you get a total number of 5 ports, which are 3 input USB ports or the micro USB ports, the type C and the lightning ports. So this means that you can be able to charge this power bank in any environment you find yourself. Well known that the power bank doesn't support a dual charging speed. That means it allows only one input port for usage at a time. From my tests, I was able to fully charge my 5000 mAh smartphone battery for like 4 times and my iPhone twice before it got to 0%, and that's very impressive. The USB charging port is acceptable in 10 watts. It took about 12 hours 10 minutes to be fully charged from 0% to 100%, and that's a whole lot of time, man, which I didn't really like. I was expecting a faster 20 watts fast charging speed, which I didn't get in this. Well, as for me, it's a very good and quality power bank, which you can get at an affordable price of 12,000 naira or $20. And I do really recommend this for usage. So you can get one for yourself or for your loved ones. But we are expecting a higher upgrade at the charging speed in the next edition of the Oraimo power bank. Thanks a lot, guys. That will be all for today. So guys, that's all for today about the Oraimo power bank. I hope you enjoyed what you watched. So if you have any questions concerning the power bank, you can drop it on the comment section and I will reply you ASAP. Or you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button and putting on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop a new content like this one. See you guys in my next video. Peace.